What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited because today is the day, our first car meet out here in Spokane. My team is setting up right now, and check this out. We're just getting started here. The team is here, but the meet doesn't start until the next 30 minutes. So we're gonna see how it turns out. Whether it's a hit or a miss, I'm gonna show you guys the turnout for our first meet, Falls Kulture, baby. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys some updates. The meet just started a couple minutes ago at 6 and we have a dope ass turn up, so I want to show you guys. What do you guys think?
Fucking lit.
Yeah? You guys are proud of your first car meet?
Good turnout so far.
And we got their stickers on already because we added another 10 horsepower here. Another 20 horsepower there because of the red. Guys, we are having a dope ass turnout. We got 3 Skylines out here. That's so sick. Oh shit, check this out. He's like, what species are you?
Oh, Christians, I didn't even notice. You're hella ugly.
Fucking Walla Walla's here.
Got a bunch of bugs on your car.
Yeah, baby,
I know, dude.
It sets off with that seafoam green.
Well, the two colors, yeah.
We got my boy from Walla Walla over here, guys, with his bag, WRX, super dope. These are not originally his wheels that he had on, but he had to do with stocks because he sold his other ones. What?
Hi, Herb.
Thank you for coming.
Of course.
You're being seen on my vlog now, so say what's up.
What's up?
There you go.
It's like a key lime mark. Oh my god. Yes, yes, he played
It's a ride. If I look over here, I probably have 100 wives. Walking in the club and they like Gucci just arrived. I ordered up a dub and then I threw it in the sky. I told her on my height, now she look like she's surprised. She look like a model for the devil in disguise. Bum, 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 I feel like Rocky in his prime. There's some extra thing we got to do. I'm young, rich and handsome, baby, no one's over time.
Squad! Sick turnout, guys. We're ending this vlog right now. The meet is over. All the guys are all leaving. Before we end the vlog, we all wanted to just shout everybody out. Falls Kulture.
Stay tuned for the second one.
Stay tuned
We
for
hooked
the
this
second
whole
one.
thing up. Not too bad for the first turnout.
Till next time. Yes.